Hello and welcome to another KitPlus TV review. Now we've got a raft of reviews coming in on camera support products from Manfrotto, and while we were looking at them we spotted the JOBY Vlogging Kit.
Yes, now on first impressions it could be considered very much a consumer product, but on close inspection it's a very useful tool for self-shooters. So let's take a look at this review.
Hi, I'm Jenny Collins. I'm a filmmaker based in Liverpool, and the guys at KitPlus have asked me to review the GorillaPod Vlogging Mobile Kit. So I'm filming this on my mobile for ease of use because I think that's basically what this bit of kit is designed for. You can use it with a DSLR or a small camera, but it seems to be set up for on-the-go shooting, very quick setup. I've got the microphone connected in the cradle through one of the cables that they provided in the box, and the small beamo light attached on one of the arms. I'm not a vlogger, so this is quite new to me, but it's quite a very easy setup and pretty sturdy construction, so far so good. So looking at what we get in the box, there's an assortment of cables to fit to DSLR or various types of phone. You get the beamo light, which has actually got a magnetic base, which is quite useful in certain situations. It also comes with a soft cover, which I found is great, but it can actually, when I was using it yesterday outside, it does tend to drop off quite easily. So it's just something to be aware of. And there's a little USB charger connection on there, which can be a bit stiff at first, but I guess that's straight out of the box, and after a while you get used to using that. The GorillaPod itself is great. You've got the 3 base legs and the 2 attachable arms, so you can have an extra camera and the beamo light connected at the same time. Really adaptable. As you know, GorillaPods are great. They can hang from any surface. They do the job well. The actual mobile rig is really great. The only thing I'd say is it's quite tricky to find a great position around your phone's volume and setting buttons. So I've got mine quite to one side, which does make the whole rig a little bit unbalanced. And because there's no spirit level on it, you do have to kind of guess how level you are. But as this is a run and gun kind of setup, I don't think it bothers me that much, and I actually quite like the simplicity of it. The Wavo mobile microphone is a great little bit of kit. The cradle that it's supplied with is really quite sturdy. That allows a lot of movement as you're out and about. With the dead cat over it, you feel quite confident that you're going to get a decent sound. So with the Wavo mic, you get various cable attachments for either your DSLR camera or straight into your mobile, which seems to work really well. The only thing I've noticed is the length of the cables is quite tight. So you do have to get them in the right angle in case you want to use the front camera so that they're not in shot. You get various cold shoe attachments for the GorillaPod, a couple of arms for an external action cam if you wanted that on the side as well. Very simple to use. Yeah, it's all new to me, as I say, but I'm quite enjoying the flexibility of it. And for run and gun filmmaking, you know, if you've got an interview to do in a hurry, it's a great little setup. So overall, for more experienced vloggers than myself, I think this is a great bit of kit. It's kind of usable straight out of the box. It's not too complicated. It's so easy to set up. I think for the money and the content that you get out of the box, it's really good value.
Thanks Jenny, and do take a look at the other review she's done for us on the Sennheiser AVX system, very good, and of course the other user reviews that are on the channel.
Yep, and if you'd like to review a product, then check out kitplus.com/reviews and get in touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.